Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix current shock in a refrigerator. You can see here the model number of the refrigerator as well as the company of the refrigerator. This is the inside view of the refrigerator. Friends, this is back side of the fridge. This is the compressor and it has condenser coil. This is capacitor and it also has relay and OLP. Friends, now I am going to turn on the refrigerator. Friends, you can observe here this fridge has shock in its body. Every metal part has a shock, you can observe in the tester. To solve this problem, I will tell you an easy trick. Now I am turning off this refrigerator. Friends, you can see here this is live wire, this is neutral wire, this is ground wire. To solve this problem, we have to swap live wire and neutral wire. For that, we have to swap it in the plug or else you have to swap it in the switchboard. So I will swap the live and neutral in the plug. Friends, you can see here I will swap in this section only. This is ground wire and this is live wire and this is neutral. I will swap it here only. First I will remove the connector. Then we have to swap these two wires. For that we have to remove a lock like this. Now we have to swap it. You can see here now I swapped two wires and plug it again back. Guys, now I am turning on the refrigerator. Friends, now you observe that the problem is solved. There is no shock in the metal body. I can touch it. I will never get a shock. So that's all about my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.